Hi there, welcome to this video in which we are going to discuss how to manage your time for your skill development. Because you can be a student, you can be a person who is doing a job, or any other person who is very busy in their daily routine, so you are not finding time for your skill development. Firstly, you have to wake up early. I wake up at 4 a.m. and learn till 6 a.m. So 4 to 6 there are 2 hours of my learning in the morning. After that I use mobile and stuff like that. So I believe that this morning time is very suitable for your learning. You are fresh, you are not involved in any other activity of mobile in very early morning. You are fresh, you just wake up and open your laptop and started learning. That will be a very good point. Other than that, if you don't have time in the morning, you can learn before your sleep. That will be the time you will be free. There will be no work around. There will be no you don't have to go to market to take anything for the family or like that. So before sleep, do learning for 1 hour or half an hour. You don't specifically have to learn 2 hours. If you don't have time, you can learn half hour a day or even 15 minutes a day. That will be enough for learning a skill in the beginning as well. So yes, in the morning most of the people will find time in the morning. If you are a student, then you can find time any time you want. You have time, but the thing is we have many excuses that I have this much work, I have that, I can't learn this at the moment. So what I will do, I will start learning after my exams or my improvement exams or my Flana subject exams. So these all are excuses. For the morning time, what if you are a student? Comment below what you do in the morning from 4 to 6 a.m. Do you go to any work, or are you free, or are you sleeping, or are you learning any skill? And that time, that will be perfect. One thing you will have to sacrifice for this will be your sleep, and you can complete that incompleted sleep after your college or after your school timing, so that it will be compensated for sure. But if you have started this routine, it will be very addicted. Once you have a routine for 7 days or 14 days, it will be it will become your routine. You will sleep, it will be 4 a.m. you will automatically wake up. That happens. So you will say, okay, now the learning time. And don't use mobile phone at that time. All the times when you are free, you can learn skill at that time as well. For in some cases you may not be able to work on the morning time, but you can learn any other time you are free. And we have very free time as a student. Even I do learning of 2 hours, my mobile usage is more than 2 hours. So if I can decrease my mobile usage, then I can further increase my learning rate, and that will be even great. But you will be valuable when you get to the market. This is Harman, a AI data scientist in Python.